Today we're at General Electric introducing the GEA Today program for one of our Doss High School students who is going to be starting a new work to school co-op program with them.
We are really excited about the opportunities this creates for JCPS seniors and recent high school graduates. These students or recent graduates can work part-time at GE Appliances, earn spending money, and receive up to $6,000 every year for college tuition.
Definitely working with my hands. Working with my hands is the best part about GE. You know, it gets me where I want to be, and at the end of the day, it's what makes me happy. That will drive me for the rest of my life.
This is our mock assembly line where all new employees, including our new GEA Today team members, complete their training before starting their jobs in our plants.
And there is no reason why that every single student in JCPS doesn't have the option for college and career. And that is really what this program does. It gives students the opportunity to be in high school, to finish that experience, and then as seniors to go out and actually have job opportunities that are aligned with post-secondary.
Well, it means more opportunities. It means more real-world, authentic opportunities for them to get outside of school experience and give them a better opportunity to be successful once they graduate from high school.
I'm a senior at Doss High School. I'm in the STEM Academy, and I'm in the manufacturing pathway. My sophomore year, Dr. Polio started a career at the academies at Doss High School. I selected the manufacturing pathway for my previous hands-on learning with my dad and my father. As he recently passed away, it was very difficult. By working with my hands, I distracted myself from that part of my life. And I'm glad to be here today to do that, for providing for my family like he did. Y'all have blessed me with this opportunity, and I'm very grateful, and to pave the way for the rest of the students to come. Thank you.